Let's go. Sibling rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? It's been working just like. Hello, hello, hello.
What's up, everybody?
Welcome back to Sibling Rivalry. Do you know what? I always forget how we do this. Every week it's like a new intro to me.
And that explains.
What?
I don't know how to break this to you.
Oh no.
Because now, with you saying that,
Yeah.
and now there's something that you did before the show.
What?
And then Newari.
What?
You were on your phone, but like you were on your phone like this.
This is you don't.
What does it all mean, Basil? Like this? Like no.
That's the sweet spot. If it's here, it's too close.
Oh no.
Dukukile mchanam. I mean, I'm sure
Talita.
like Umama was doing that at my age. So kuku kabateli.
Kuko thandayo for nina. I mean, don't you know the song?
I've held on for long, bruh. I've held on. You know what I've done is hold on to my youth.
Really?
But now my body's just betraying me.
Really?
Yeah, my eyes definitely.
Your eyes are getting worse?
Yeah, my eyes are definitely getting worse.
Wow.
But I'm also diabetic, which means my eyes will get more worse than they
Okay,
than
then
they should.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then normal.
Yeah, the rate will be a little higher than normal. But yeah, I'm trying. I just get like a sweet spot where you're just like, honest. It's fuzzy.
So increasingly ke text size up
No,
WhatsApp.
I don't even know how to do that.
Hello, Talita. My name is.
So go also tell nobody about
Sorry, man. Hey, Totukile. And you know sometimes Tukile we are because now you're still processing it in your own mind.
Yeah, no, Brian, born kahle, it's fine. Let me near Zanago.
Fair.
Yeah.
Kudala yaza kumfuni.
What do you
Kama nimbandla na 18 so.
into zokuka?
Yeah, I think uThixo uyabona ba makakuthini.
Which one you can
Thathe
handle?
phi akunike phi njalo njalo yabo.
Yeah.
Surely you can't have all of it. Oh, well, can.
You can.
Yeah, for sure.
It's just they come in different phases.
100%.
Well, anyway, guys, welcome back to Sibling Rivalry. And this man could not wait.
Yeah, you started Galog with, I can't remember. I started with the memory loss.
Oh, so now deny memory loss? Oh, gosh. Otherwise, right?
You're right, man. Zugondima's my name. Jan Oniran. Yeah. Hey! And yazi yaphela into yami brother we-country guys.
Why? Because no one can
Anywhere. Jan took over. I think Jan took over.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And how do you feel about that?
I don't know, man.
You miss it?
Yeah.
Because it was endearing.
It was endearing. It was the first and foremost, you know?
Yeah.
It was the first of its kind.
So,
Yeah, man, guys, man.
Sanuphela amandla.
Yeah, understand?
Yeah.
And then I also read something like on the comments, someone who had recently started watching, when we still used to do that thing, now, hayi ke uzuka kayojana anymore because uchatile. Did I ever say jana chat?
Don't know.
So ningwengwe ngoku.
You khotbala lo for Uncle Bay.
Yeah, but anyways, yeah, that was very funny. But yeah, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Tina's a Vic. Tina's Chisibonzi, what in?
For a project that I just jumped onto, which is really exciting behind the scenes.
You jumped on behind the scenes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So it's keeping me busy, which is great.
But like what? You extra or what?
How is that behind the scenes?
Behind the scenes, behind the camera.
Yes.
So producer, director,
yeah, but
gaffer,
yeah,
sound guy.
Look at you, wasn't it, gaffer? There's your best boy.
Oh, and the Cloudy best boy.
Okay, that's a homework calculator for next thing because I started by Donny best boy.
Okay.
No, I'm the casting director.
Casting director.
Manje. Manje King.
Cast a role myself.
For me.
I'm not the caster.
I'm not the casting director. I'm not casting before. Come on, bro. I'm trying to be good. I'm not trying to perpetuate the stereotypes.
Oh, because man was act.
And because we act. I can't do no act.
Hi, boy.
I can't do no act.
Do you think I'll act?
I really think you could if you were given half a chance. I'm not giving you this half a chance.
Oh, you're not giving me half a chance?
No.
I hate me.
Okay. Because then Mnandi Zokfaka and then you're Zuko Ndima and everyone knows you're my brother. Then if you go more Shepa.
And then I'm good.
And then let's say you're not good.
Come on, Fondine.
Then it's gonna be like, oh, bafakene.
Fondine got good, Fondine.
You also have an entire job.
No. So that's how you leave. People do that. Come on, Fondine. Can you roll? No, let's not do this, actually. Let us definitely not do this.
Because if anyone sees you on screen, now they're going to be like, oh,
No, I can't get a role on screen.
No, yeah. So that's been fun. That's been really cool getting into the backside of that situation.
Okay. Have you started seeing people yet?
No, we start this week.
Okay.
Which I'm excited about, actually.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice to get like a window open to the backside of different spaces. I mean, you can get a window open as a director, or whatever, but everything is different. So one thing that we did this past weekend that I thought was very interesting, and I've never heard it being done here before, was I had a focus group for story. So we had random people come in, sit around a table and like talk about
focus groups are so cool.
Yeah, and talk about stories when it comes to the specific subjects that we wanted them to talk about. And it was amazing. It was so good. Yeah, from 11 until 4. And I was just like, every time I hear real people's stories, I'm always like, my life is so boring. Like
50 rand a drink.
I was like, what am I doing with my life? No. People are like living, like they've got like experiences and dramas and like in this needs.
You also do. We all do, and that's the one thing that I've learned, especially from Mikian on the Run, that we all have a story. We all have a story, and the problem is you don't think you have a story up until someone asks you to tell that story. Then you'll hear it.
True, I guess.
Then you'll hear it when ngendlebe zakho awuliva ngendlebe zakho story sakho wena. You up until someone literally sits you down. If you were to sit in that focus room, that's a story, bro.
Yeah, there were one of the execs was there, and I know her, and she was like, "Ooh, I can't wait till it's Talita's turn." And I was like,
to tell the story.
Yeah, I was like, no. I'm like, why would you look at that stories? And I was like, stories Then I had a young think, and I was like, oh,
yeah.
I've had some movie moments.
No, absolutely.
Yeah,
I definitely think so.
So that was cool. That was a cool thing to go through. Because we're still writing, but just mining some stuff was nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hundreds. I'm glad to hear it. That's good. New experiences are always really, really cool. So yeah, big ups.
Thanks.
Good luck. Bye, Malin. Yo, many patalwa. Oh man, I always suck at it. I want to try and ask this thing like in the most natural way possible so that the person can give me an answer. Like, I'm 17, like, I get 25. I'll just be like, oh yeah, ingenile mali ne? Hey, ingenile. Oh, kengene mali pakuwe. But no one ever answers me. Also, why are we so touchy?
It's the one thing you got so much.
For what? For vibes.
Because they asked me, that's why I actually don't want the other person thinking, oh, we're no pangalela le 5 rand, Shem. Because you know, but I'm not getting paid my worth here. I'm not getting paid what I should be getting paid here. So ngokufuneka ngibaliselele pari. Izonjongela phansi.
Okay. Okay.
I think. I mean, that's another thing. You guys can tell us about tending afuna usibalisele bayibheki.
Sure. Andifuna ukalwa.
Afuna ukalwa. I really think so. Yeah.
Okay. No, that's all good. Before I tell you how I am, masiqale evenkileni.
Sneakers go through a lot, from school runs to weekend grooves to Sunday visits. Running out of solutions again? Introducing the all-new Walk Fresh Sneaker Cleaning Shampoo.
Thanks, Mom.
750 mils of pure sneaker cleaning power. Big bottle. Great value. Wow! Clean kicks for the entire family. Get yours today. Available online and at selected retailers.
This is where we are now in our lives, guys, on the show. Shout out to Walk Fresh. Keep doing the Lord's work. You know what it is.
Yes.
And also, it's a commercial break, Elena. Guys, this is the last week, or this is the last episode where we are going to be inviting you to Spotify live sessions, where you get to see us, Sibling Rivalry, Talita Ndima, and Tamzupela, Tamzubiri, Tamzwaiko, live and in person. Tickets are available at Quicket.
Yes.
And Talita's gonna tell you a little bit more.
All right, so we've had a venue change just in case you guys haven't seen it yet.
Oh, yes.
Yes. So originally we were supposed to be at Victoria Yard, but now the venue has changed to Rosebank, a place called Workshop 17. It's inside Proud Mary, if you know Rosebank. Proud Mary is a restaurant. Bawungena ngaphakathi into Proud Mary and ask them Workshop 17.
Oh, yes, toilets by Proud Mary.
Yes.
That's going to look Proud Mary for me. That sounds how waiting. We are chikela pa. Ikhona ngadi reception. That my reception yase toilet, but then abaka banda bangenayo.
Reception your hotel.
Nansika pa.
That's the hotel.
Oh.
So before you get there, there's stairs.
Okay.
And upstairs there's a space up there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So
Nifile guys, Workshop 17, much easier to get to. Ngakweli Gautrain, uhlike pha estishini. Okay, we are on at 6.
Yeah.
So from 6 to about 8, still get the last Gautrain home. Okay, guys, we've got no excuse.
100%. So if we tengile ticket, just be aware, but we'll let you know. Obviously, people who've bought tickets already will send you a reminder of the venue change. But we can't wait. This is going to be happening tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be happening this week.
Yeah.
So yeah, that'll be really, really cool.
This week,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
So we look forward to it. Nizene landuka. Into zenzothepha.
Nabangani beni. Oh, niphathe le mpahla le mpahla le yokuthenga. Yeah, which will come in handy with all the stuff that we're going to have there for you guys.
100%. Can't wait to see it. And if you can't come, if you're in Cape Town, we will be broadcasting it as soon as it's ready so you can see how it happened. And then you guys can just send us money so we can come to Cape Town.
I like that. Slide it in there as naturally as possible.
I'm taking it. Yes.
And feeling chambisele well done.
Thanks.
You learn very quickly.
Okay, so unjani wena?
I feel like I'm a dad. I was a dad. Sorry. That's what happened to me this week. I was a dad.
What, for how long?
For like 2 minutes.
A dad to what?
A duckling.
Oh, okay.
Nomdade. I call it Nomdade.
That's so cute. I saw that picture and I was like, this is the most adorable thing.
Dog.
I can just see this duck being here for like years, hanging out with the fish. And just like retiring.
Monday morning, the Espanin. And sit, yeah. Have a garage, diava, man. Sweet. I'm like, hey, what's going on here with this sweet? I'm like, oh, man, indakale. Now I'm like, I don't want to go in the garage because this thing never on puppy lip sweat, emotionally mean. So I'm checking this, and then check under the car. This it comes out the back, the under the car, behind the car. Hey, Pumijigel, it's a duck with its little webbed feet. I'm like, oh, I don't know, how did you get here?
Also, how did it get there?
No idea, bro. No idea.
And it's inside the garage.
It's inside the garage value.
That's it.
It's a wall. It's not even like a fence where it was just gonna come through.
Yeah.
It's a wall.
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh, okay, cool. Guess I'm your dad now. But let me go so that I can bring you back some oats and whatever ducks eat.
Uyasala talking you.
Even abantu happy for parenting journey happening. Now Spanini, Ashegi Tata, they get a picture during the day the dada is in the pond.
Tweet.
I was like, oh, and then I posted that video and the duck was in the pond. Then came home later
in the pond
and
with
I
the
couldn't
fish.
Find it. Yeah.
Oh no.
So on the ass baby.
I'm killing.
Oh, just like that. I couldn't even ngoma sayilalisa pha erumini yami. Kuyabana kaloku for ithathe encini. Lapha erumini yami.
Akalulala lapha abathatha abancane.
But maybe it wasn't going to sleep there because kaloku net dark feather pillows.
Izinyanya zami.
Oh, it's going to feel at home. Oh man, so that was a very short lived. I was quite excited about this thing.
You already selling your marathon tickets?
Marathon, so yeah, she back on Cape Town Marathon now. So yeah, that's and also last week there's a friend of mine who invited me to the open mic night. Candy busy because me not there yet.
Chomi, come on, I've hung up my shoes.
So he invited me to an open mic night. But now, he's not a person. It's like me. It's like me in Dizaku and Didichonga. The dance battle is on Bugel. That's got nothing to do with what I do, who I am, what you know of me.
Yes,
you know what I mean? At all.
Yeah.
So I'm just like, okay, cool. And then, but yo, I just love the journey he's on because he's just been doing like a whole bunch of stuff, you know, a lot of new things, a lot of things that are health related, which has been really, really cool. Because man, and I think it's just, we don't realize, Uguti, how important the whole thing, this whole journey is. Where we have to do like a lot of things and focus on our health, you know?
Yeah.
And then that has led him also to then start doing other things. And one of the things that he started doing was to challenge himself to do something that he's kind of maybe thought about or whatever the case may be. And he went out there and he rocked it, my man.
Rocky boy. Yo,
he rocked it. I don't know why I'm up here. I'm not a creative. Yo,
that's so good.
But you might not be a creative, but you're definitely a liar. Because it was super cool.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it was beautiful, man. What an experience. Abantu kodwa also nabo man. Because a lot of people there were reciting poems.
Yeah.
And you're just like, uyambona umuntu, and you're just like, ay lo muntu lo uzohlala crowdini ufana nami. Akaphakama umuntu abethe agadlele enye poem enjani. You're just like,
oh, wow.
Man, we are just so multidimensional singabantu. That was something new for me. I mean, I definitely not do it. I don't think I've got that kind of creativity. But it was definitely nice to be there.
But also, who's the judge of that? You.
I mean, Zoti, Nafonin. Also, what am I? First and foremost, I'm Palangandoni. Then you whispered to me like the rustling leaves on a cold winter morning. Shh. Shh. Shut up. That's what you said. Yeah. So yeah, it was for me. It was definitely like it was a new experience, and I really liked it, and it got me thinking. maybe now I'm like an enzi, but I just don't know. I cannot for the life of me figure out what that would be.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was really in awe of like the human being and how multifaceted we are and how we can be. Which brings us to the board, which is there's so many things that we can do and so many things that we're capable of. And what the brain is, it's a muscle. And what we should do is use it. Just like any muscle, if you don't use it for long enough, you lose the ability to be able to.
True.
So once we can then also take ourselves, what this means for me is once we can take ourselves and sort of keep using this muscle, it gets stronger, it gets better, it gets faster. It takes longer to degenerate because as we know, we're degenerating as we're living. So as soon as we also understand that the brain is a muscle, use it.
Yeah, for sure.
The better the results become for us.
I think that's as simple as it is.
That's as simple as it goes. Yeah, correct.
I got a video from our sister-in-law from Victoria. She was with Anne, and they were at, I don't know if it was a bookstore or whatever it was, and I was insisting on getting a diary. So there was a diary there in a lock, and Mama is like, "Why do you want a diary?" Auntie, because I want to write stuff inside. So I want to write my private things. And Anna's like, what? 8?
Like 7 or 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then Mama comes, but una private things essentially. Like, what are your private things? Auntie, things. So Mama kuyan buzba. Dimthengelela diary because andiqondi uba kutheni ne-private things loo nto. So I had to advocate.
Ubuza kuwe ngoku abazali babazithenge i-diary for abantwana.
So I sent a long voice note to advocate why a diary is good for him. What?
Not a long one.
And then he sent a voice note back and he was like, "You totally understand me." And I was like, what? That's weird. So now when Barisela bad, I think when Barisela is more to Smoshi, uzofunda ibamba.
Sawuhlala fafo lawa ndim notata akhe nomama akhe nawe. Hlala. Bayodlala yena sifunda.
Never. I would never participate in that kind of thing. No. Because I know what it feels like when you know that people have been in it.
When you're 40. Come on, bro.
Yes. Do you think it made me feel nice?
Only if you're violated.
Yeah.
Sorry. No, that was inappropriate. My bad.
You think?
Dim.
So I was just so happy that he just wanted one. And I was like, it's such a great way to just put your thoughts on paper and then go back. Some is thoughts that you have right now and you're not sure how to navigate them. But then like a week or two or a month later, go back and go, oh, okay. I understand why I was feeling like that. I get it,
Yeah.
But just to let them out and not young, and it's not like you have secrets, but some things you figure out on your own.
Yeah. No, definitely. And I think it's important, man. It's what I've learned in life is that we need an outlet. No binjani outlet yako. And if you don't find a healthy outlet, your mind, your body, whatever, will find that outlet.
Exactly.
For you.
Yeah,
and
100%.
Chances are it won't be the healthiest of outlets. So
Injalo.
I think it definitely is important, but we learn to kind of find what our possible outlets could be. And we outlet because we do need to outlet. We do. Siziketile ezithile apha.
Mhlambi nonomdade nje beqonda mama ndikhe ndihambe apha ekhaya ndiyojonga.
Yobethwa ngumoya. Vise kabuhlungu yonomdade ke. But I think let's jump into the closeness of it all.
The closeness of it all.
Dog. Iqhutywa ndim le bus ke namhlanje.
100% you ask somebody why he passing.
So remember I had said a couple of episodes back bawukhona umuntu endimfumeneyo ozasinceda kule segment.
Yes, amahlelo lesingayaziyo ncam.
Yes. So I did try and get her on the phone today, but she was just bebambekile. Rightfully so, kaloku sidinga professionals thina. So that I'm busy from time to time. But we have mentioned her on the show before.
Yeah.
Igama lakhe nguBomikazi Njoloza. And she is a language and literacy specialist.
That's so wild. How do you become that?
Doug! And so it's something that for me is quite interesting. And maybe when we can get her on the phone, we can speak to
Ask
her a little bit
it.
about that.
Yeah.
Since she's vision yam is for her to feature a little bit on the show, right?
Sure.
She's a language and literacy specialist. She's also an author, and ibhayo yakhe ibhalwe nguye ke le ebhalwe umuntu nje onice.
Boo, boring. Get off the stage.
Oh man, but it's very few times when a person says that, and that's my experience of her. Umuntu onice, you know. So what I'd asked her to do, or what she'd responded on, was demystifying lendo ya mahlelo. Uyabo? So what she did is she sent a voice note, and I just want us to listen to this voice note where she kind of breaks down hlelo, because I think on the last episode siyasazama lendo ya mahlelo yaphela phakathi saphelwa network. So I asked her to kind of then just come in and just tell us a bit more about amahlelo in terms of going through them. And that's kind of hlelo 1 to hlelo 8.
Okay.
So I'm going to play that note now. I'm going to play in your hearing from Ubomikazi. And then, we'll take it from there.
Sure.
So let's have a listen at this business. Okay. There we go.
So for instance, uhlelo 1 ngu-umntu okanye umlungu, umjita, umfana, all of those are hlelo 1 words. And then uhlelo 2 zii-plural zalo magama. So abantu, abelungu, if mhlawumbi bufake umama kuhlelo 1, uhlelo omama also belongs to hlelo 2. So I hope you follow the logic so far. And then hlelo 3 bengu so basically uhlelo 1 ebengu naye, but more so in reference to human beings. So you'll have umntu, umama, umalume. So usually kuhlelo 1, those are the kinds of nouns that you have there in that noun class. Then kuhlelo 3 uphinda ube no but ngu lona or impersonal. So umzi, umthi, umlevo, tonto, you know, so all the other that are not related to abantu, which would be kuhlelo kulamahlelo oqala, then they fall under this one. Then obviously hlelo 4 plural yayo, imithi, imizi, don, ne? And then again hlelo 5 ku ili, so ilitye, ilizwe, ili, what, all of those nouns that start like that. And then hlelo 6 plural says. Hlelo 7 again, isitya, isithili, isintu, all of that. And then hlelo 8 plural again.
Okay.
So we've gotten up to hlelo 8.
Okay, cool.
Right?
Yeah.
Hlelo 1,
Yeah.
2 plural. Hlelo 2,
But not...
or 3, hlelo 3,
but not human beings. Not referring to human beings.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hlelo 4, plural.
Yeah.
Hlelo 5,
Ili.
Usho? Yeah, ili no ama.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
And then hlelo 6, that's 5, that's 5, 6, 7, easy. What is that? Man.
I think we missed 5 and 6. But
Okay.
it makes so much sense now. And I think the one thing that we were missing was that la aba bafanayo from 1 to 3. The first ones are humanified. I don't know how else to say that. And then the second ones are not describing a person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which I think is cool.
Yeah, I think it's also pretty cool.
Also, like, I wonder if people were being taught it this way also. Because it makes so much sense to me like this, but I've never heard this explanation in my life.
I think they were being taught this because Diazimna from high school, where guys used to talk about Amahlelo and but that was being learnt in the Xhosa class. Nandabe Xhosa class, ndabe ndandiprata fa.
Trappa van vergelijken.
Die traatje was hier van vergeleken. So I was doing that. But I definitely think so.
Yeah.
I mean, at its
they
core,
must, because it's the
pure-
easy way
yes,
to
correct.
do it.
Yeah.
Did you know that kids are still being taught cursive?
Mm-mm.
Unless when nabanye sithi umntana wakho ufunda cursive ngoku, and I was like,
And kids are also being still taught thorax.
kaloku abanye Basibhiologist.
Africa uyifunda phaa technicon first year thorax. You know.
But layer cursive for me, that rocked my world.
wild.
Because I was like, so that what? Who writes in cursive?
Look, man, maybe as ezinye izinto, I don't know about EPE where it comes from, but ezinye izinto, it's also brain exercises, I believe.
I guess.
I believe ezinye izinto are also just brain exercises. Possibly.
And not necessarily how you're learning
Yes,
this thing,
correct.
or what it is that
Ba-
you're learning.
ba ndifundi cursive, ba uzobhala cursive. Mhlawumbe it's just to nantsika your brain.
I certainly hope so,
Yeah,
because
to
I'm
make it
just
more.
like, otherwise, what are we doing?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So last week's episode,
Mm.
I spoke to you about this whole birthday thing.
Mm.
And I made some discoveries.
Mm.
I think I made some discoveries.
Okay, let's hear. I'll be the judge of that.
Please don't judge me too harshly.
No, I won't.
Right? Because the conversation was around my birthday, turning 40. Crashed when I went for the birthday. And I was like, I've been feeling very about it, you know? And that for me was a bit unsettling
Okay.
because I'm sitting here and it's like, Kauko now Fro's like, Kauko now celebrate, no celebrate, no. The same thing that you do for other people, etc. For when and I'm just like, I don't know, man. And then I was at work. And then my work sister,
Very careful with that word.
my work little sister also is just like, hi Babura, birthday is coming up. Funandoni, uyabo? I've got Nancy list. No. And I'm just like, Funandoni. Oh, like whatever, bro. Yabo? I'm happy if I get something, I'll be happy. Yeah? If I don't,
But it
doesn't-
also.
no. Okay, so I'm getting there.
Yeah.
So if I get something, I'll be happy. But if I don't,
It's whatever.
It's whatever, bro.
Yeah.
Like not rats, but hey, what? Yeah, I understand. And now, in that moment, that also kind of bothered me. I was like, man, what's happening? And then now thinking about the birthday, man, it's just too much. And I thought to myself, is it a man thing? Right? Because, and the way that I got to kind of thinking about it was, is it a man thing? Because I'm a man.
Yeah,
I'm taught to, people are always expecting things from me.
for sure.
And in people always expecting things from me, when I say people get obvious, or people in your community and people in your surroundings, because you're a man, automatically, right? And what I noticed is that, could it be that because of that, I haven't gotten the opportunity to then start thinking about, what about me? Ndifuna ndoni, ndithanda ndoni. You know, because I'm always, there's this thing, but there's always this expectation, I'll always be giving. And therefore I never think about myself in that instance. I'm always thinking about, hey, if abantu bahappy, mnandi grand.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I was like, I wonder if I'm the only person who experiences that as umchita.
You're definitely
But
not.
when I sit and I look around, I'm like, definitely. Because umchita, I mean, and I was like, it gets so much that umchita watu muzba, what's your favorite color? Angabi nayo. And then I was just like, which version of life are we living then as Oaks? If kwenzeka njalo, if at the end of the day you don't even know what you like simply because you are always last on that list. And I was just like, wow, am I uncovering a trauma? But ayoyam le trauma.
Yenu.
Eyethu ayo generationally sexual. what is something when it pertains to a specific sex? When it pertains to a certain generation, it's generational.
Yeah.
So okay, it's got to do with males, right? So yeah,
Generational.
yeah. So I and it blew my mind, and I was like, how many times are people frustrated by guys who don't seem to know what they want, and how many times do guys not get what they want? And is this why it's taking a week house?
You know why you take a look house actually? Now that you're saying this, it's like the way Nichonge to provide and to no. I was thinking nobody houses arms kabukile. So flaking take house.
Yeah, what does that have to do with the greatest scheme of things?
Yeah, she
Bro,
doesn't.
Bond.
Yeah, exactly. Last of my worries is house at kabukile on the underpants, whatever, you know? Which is why we're always like, underpants. Which makes so much sense.
Yeah.
Why Umchita will have like the bare necessities just being like threadbare.
Yeah.
You're just like, what is happening? Are we thinking we're not about 10 cows? No, are we thinking because we think about badele school fees? Ifro ifunda thile le moto indala ngokufuneka sithenge enye, you know, all of these other things.
Indondoni.
Yeah, bro, e-house is the last thing on your list for real. As long as ukwazi move on from A to B, which is extremely sad if I say so myself. But I also feel like it's something that can be balanced.
By saying it can be balanced, it means you are saying it can be reversed. You know me, I always view things on a spectrum, right?
Yeah.
Here is princess. I deserve the world. Ne? Here is Doug. Funny no, happy birthday, dog, like polile, like relax, like the sharp, yabo. As long as you know I've got a decent roof over my head, the polile. You understand? If you wanna buy anything, tell me.
A practical man.
Yeah, understand?
Yes.
So if we are here, then it means then you need to reverse. You need to go back.
Yes, to become
to the middle
a little
point.
closer to the middle point.
Yes.
And this was also not a conscious decision on your part. Do you know what I mean?
It's not a conscious decision.
Yeah.
It's a decision that I feel like was made by society and the environment that I kind of grew up in. But also is perpetuated by the people in the environment, aka Banbesfazane. Because, and I suppose it's a human thing because we're all geared to kind of think about ourselves.
Yeah.
So does that make y'all selfish?
Oh,
It's a question.
I didn't know this is where this was going.
I didn't know this was going here as well, but it's just a question.
Because it would make you guys what? Selfless.
Not selfless as propelled by ourselves, selfless as propelled by you guys. Ba niyasinansika.
See, expect is into.
Yes, and the only way you can fulfill that is when you become kind of selfless.
But
Selfless
also-
by force.
Yeah, it can't make it can't be selfish because then you'll see the role that a woman plays in your life as well and all the kinds of things that they do for you also. It's not like umuntu hleli nje ukhongozile ba uzothini wena. Umuntu uzokuvasela iwashing, akayinele, akuphekele every day, make sure the house is warm and it's clean and all of that stuff.
The necessities.
The necessities.
Uzawuklina le ndlu ahlala kuyo.
Ewe.
Uzawupheka oku kutya aza kutya.
Ozakutya nawe.
Yeah, but naye uzakutya.
Uzapheka
andizokwenza inezi.
Uzapheka engafuni just for instance.
Ubeketyile lokhu umuntu.
Have you met women, bruh? Have you heard of
Yeah, I
girl
have.
dinners?
Yes, I have. Wow.
Exactly. Umuntu uzawuskaphandela izinto ezisnacked fast with not a microwave has
Apuqiswa ngesibrown namasi. Mind.
Exactly. So there are roles that are played And if you can put the role that you play and the role that she plays up against each other, all these things are necessary.
Correct, but I mean, it's not even a partner thing. It spans over into friends. It spans over into family members. It spans over into all of that. It's kind of like it's the silent fiber of society that exists. That for me, I think it was a very big light bulb moment to say, "Yeah, I'm Zubela Fundin." I mean, you actually don't know like basic things of favorite car. Billy life went out of necessity.
But whose fault is that?
Necessity and ego. Because sendizawuthenga kwanale jeans because
so I can't say that the other people that you're then facilitating their needs and dreams are being selfish. But I just think that they've got their own roles to play in your life, whatever, even if it's not your partner. I can't think of an example of like, can you make an example of like in a friendship where indoda is expected to do certain things?
Yeah, all the time, man. I mean, in a friendship of opposite sexes, all the time. Oh, bro, if we're going somewhere, I'm picking you up. You understand? I'll probably pay all the time. You understand? It's not much different. You understand? It's those kinds of things. I don't know. Have you ever heard of a situation where a friend of yours plans a surprise birthday for her bestie?
Yeah.
For her male bestie?
No.
Right?
Yeah.
So like I don't know, like Leonard Troy, but and born in society in
I
general.
mean, not that a male bestie is planned a surprise for his girlfriend either.
Yes.
I hear you, man, and I feel like maybe the way in which we celebrate you guys is not like as direct as the role that you play in our lives.
Okay.
So because it's easy to then think about Lomdu, she takes me when we go somewhere, he picks me up. When we whatever, he's gonna cover the bill. Don. And then you'd kind of expect the way in which that is reciprocated is in the same vein, which it usually isn't.
Sure, direct. Yeah.
It's not directly.
It's not direct correlation.
Correlation. And I'm hoping that people who have Abantu Abanjena in their lives do appreciate them in certain ways.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say umthengeli cows I mean, that's a cool
Also,
way to take care of someone.
Normally, in general.
Not birthday.
Take my car to the car wash.
Okay. So yes.
Mna ipoint yami is that singabantu nathi ezinto zinidikayo ziyasidika nathi.
Fine.
Nama andifuni uyenza.
Then tell
Andifuni
us-
ukhupha umgomo. Or whatever. Nam ndoyika. Xa kukho rhwasha paphandle, nam ndoyika. Andifuni uphuma nam.
So funa ndithini ngezinye imini uphume mna.
But
So okay, wait. So then let's get to a solve then. What are some of the ways do you think that you could feel appreciated in?
I don't know. I'll always take it on, but I have to do some work. Funeke nam ndizazise. Ba hayi ke into ethile ke ndifuna into ethile ke.
Cela ngezinye imini fanele ukuba ndivasele imoto.
Yeah, or do this is what I actually want for my birthday. This is what I deserve. Because the language was a second side.
Okay.
It deserved to be treated like a princess. You understand?
Okay.
That's the language that is used.
Okay.
So for me, it's kind of like it's homework for myself where I need to now phakamisele value.
Uh-huh.
Wow, dangerous conversation because A lot of people abaziphakamise level umuntu uyithatha ideke phaa kodwa mntanam you are worth $100 wena uthi million suka ku-R1 to $1,000,000
So let's not say it was Pakamiseli value because I feel like your value is seen, right?
Yeah.
But maybe just to take a look inside yourself to figure out the things that you like, and therefore when you do get asked these questions that you do get asked every now and again, like that you actually have the answers.
Yeah. And also I suppose factor in, because I was like, one of the reasons why we don't, or I don't have answers to those questions because nanifuna uba disappointed. Umntu askathi
Who are disappointed? Yes,
Sure.
I really like flowers. And never again. Do you know what I mean? So
Yeah.
disappointment is a part of the
It's
journey.
a part of the game.
Yeah, it's a part of the game. But the people in your life who do care about you and who do listen
Yeah.
and want to know about Indus Tanranguya will come up with those things.
Yeah.
The reason also, the reason if families eat cows is also like, funandoni, funenumandoni. Well, and I'm not gonna buy if it's like expensive or whatever.
But I'm also not going to apply my mind.
Look, we can definitely apply.
Sure.
Yeah, because I mean, you spend enough time with someone, you get to know about these kinds of things exciting. From Tengela Matikiti to the BMW Atwati, yabo into ezinjalo. But yeah, I can honestly say about no masses apply nati imanzi zethu to our male counterparts in whatever way they come into our lives. Just so that they can feel appreciated. Because I also I feel appreciated.
Yes. Yeah, it's a foreign thing. I mean, you are as appreciated as a thank you. Do you know what I mean? Which has become stock standard, and it's like, yeah, okay, cool. But they're not sure, and that does enough. And I think our egos play the role whereby they do enough to make you feel appreciated. You understand? Whoa, episode you on the phone in the
I don't know the
what? You understand? Our egos also do enough because now I'm happy or tendent or whatever the case may be.
You pat yourself on the back.
Yes, correct. Yeah. Easy. And that's an easy job and a job that we're used to doing. But yeah, I think, it's just something that I identified and as a very big challenge of because just like anything else, right? It all goes somewhere and it all kind of stacks up and it will end up somewhere. Can you mean it? So to understand and you do something unreasonable simply because you didn't go back and check, but okay, there's stealing, there's sevens and shine. So for me, it was just a very great kind of eye opener in terms of why, and I think more than anything else, it's a lesson that I've kind of been trying to learn. Right? I don't know if you've spoken about it on the show before, but like kind of like asking. Why? Like the 5 whys. Okay, sharp. What was birthday? Which when why? I wait because and phone knows a pleasure. Why? No, because knows a guest list. And phone don't. Okay, why? Why? Then you get to the bottom of it, but actually, either I don't think I deserve it, or this is foreign to me, or whatever the case may be, and it gives you something to focus on and work on. Which will make this whole thing better.
So sit back on.
Also, but also these things take time.
I know, but I feel like you're at a point now where you're going, okay, I could have been being a bit unreasonable.
Not unreasonable. You can't be unreasonable when you don't know.
Okay, fine.
You can't blame me and say I'm unreasonable when I didn't know. I've never been exposed to. So now I'm kind of like, they unpack to say, okay, this is probably why I feel like this and this is why.
Fine, and that's going to be the longer journey, right? But Okwangoku, can we then task you to just maybe...
In the next couple of weeks?
Yes.
To maybe what?
So just maybe write down a few things you'd like for your birthday.
Yeah, well, hey, akulethe ziyaplanelwa into endizifunayo.
Kufuneka a financial plan. Jeff, just a young list, bruh, that we can look at, choose from, whatever. And don't judge your gifts, the things that you want from people also. Because that's the thing. Because I might be like, I would really like protein powder because protein powder is expensive and I don't want to buy it for myself. Yeah, exactly. And all the time. So I'd put that there and go, oh, this is stupid. But what I'm saying is don't feel stupid about the things that you would rather other people buy for you than you buy for yourself.
That's very important.
Yes.
That's very important.
Yes.
And big any fantasy items funding.
But funding,
doesn't always have to be a screwdriver.
That's such a sad list. Screwdriver. Your eyes, that. No.
Yeah.
Okay, so can I task you?
Yeah, sure.
I'll give you 2 weeks.
Okay. If list.
I always say 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then money benye.
You see, you're looking at the end.
Sure.
But you know what? It will be one thing that you wanted.
Yeah.
Not 10 things that you didn't want.
But outside of ingxaki zakho into oyifunayo bra.
Yeah.
Now it's blue sky, nothing is happening. What would you like? Wow! I can already see myself sitting in front of a blank page for hours. But definitely willing to give it a bash.
Yeah, please try. I think it would be a cool part in the fuller picture of what you actually want to
because it's an
start with.
exercise that's at the beginning of a lot of work that needs to be done.
For sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Ndiyela anindenzeleni braai. Hayi la khanenzeleni braai and andizothenga nyama yendenzeleni ibraai.
Easy.
That's cool.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're smelting here.
I hate it. You know why?
Yeah.
Because I'm always the person who, if I'm talking to someone and we figure out, must put me in action points. But now when it happens to you, it's just miles different. Yeah, it is miles different. But yeah, thanks. I definitely will take that, and I think maybe that's also kind of like a gift that I can give to myself.
Exactly.
To grow and to expand in another different way.
To pour into yourself.
To pour into myself. Because Ganyan sometimes it's just again allowing people to pour into you as well as a person. Because again now it's like, yeah, I'm always here to help. But now you're ding.
For sure. Ningalibali ke birthday pura nge-9 November nani out there in the internet world. See to finish our.
I wonder what you're gonna do this year. Because last year, enza kakhulu fonini, enza i-collage, video fonini, auntie, Buddha, no.
Oh yes, I'm like, what? What are you talking about? Yeah. Oh, now I have to up the ante. No, don't worry, I got this.
Nice one. Do you have anything planned? Oh, I don't take a land. Who's on Denzel or something?
I can't tell you. No, bro. I can't tell you right now. No.
Okay, sure.
But there's definitely something, of course, because it's your 40th, bro.
And then like
and
in cahoots, Yo, what a big age, man. Yo.
Exactly. And at the beginning of the year, you were like,
wild.
You were like, yo, that's it 40. Must send something. So it's so wild to see how your excitement has declined about it, which is what made me so sad. I was like, I know you're excited about it.
Yeah, and it's got nothing to do with the age, you know what I mean? Like, I know other people are just like, wow, 40. It's got nothing to do with the age. Like, you know, age and better than I know it's like a big birthday. 40 years. It's a long time. 40 years. Second one.
Because it is a lot.
Yeah.
But then they say life begins.
Yeah. Funny enough, 40 years you say kulo mhlaba.
Uthetha.
Oh.
Bangela.
Yo, Yo, man.
Mingi, mate.
No, Thixo mkhulu, man, bros. Yeah, so yeah, no, definitely it's something worth thinking about and considering. Cause mama wami wati gumi
Oh no.
zitande.
Thank you so much for joining us, guys. If you guys have any ideas on any of the things that we've spoken about today, you know what to do. Put them in the comments. And if Sibone fit to funda on the bling line.
There we go.
But also, we read every single one, and we love your suggestions and we love your comments. So keep them coming.
Yeah, thank you so much. And I'm absolutely interested in knowing ibras. Yes, was got an ibras bugela, yes.
Yeah.
Bras am dianbona and hopefully we'll see you on the 25th as well.
Yeah.
But just interesting to share if you've ever thought about that as Umchita. I'm especially interested in the thoughts from the guy's side. Have you ever thought about that? Have you ever thought about why? And if you have, and if maybe you did realize it at some point, and what are some of the tips and tricks that you might have that made you then to be able to kind of shift it or change it around? I think that would also be very, very interesting.
100%.
Share tools, and then we can see how that'll go.
Cool.
But yeah, other than that, I mean, it did best with the tools. Practical advice.
Boo. But get nani ke bras. Don't forget.
Love each other.